Indoor gardening and happy anniversary to me, part two. These are the other pepper plants I brought in, extending the growing season. As I mentioned in the other video, some of the plants were just drying up, even though I was watering them. They were drying up. We got a tie hot here. I just stopped watering this one because, oh, what's this pop up? Hopefully that doesn't interfere with the video. Um, yeah, I just stopped watering this one because these were getting all dry anyway. So I know you can just let peppers basically air dry and then eat them. I don't know if I'll do that or not, but pretty annoying and frustrating, and well, it really pisses me off actually. I got mice attacking some of these plants. That hole there was dug by mice. All this soil dug by mice. There's drain holes, uh, fairly large drain holes. Let's see if we can get one. There we go. I guess just barely big enough for a mouse to crawl into. So they've been digging the dirt out of there and digging a tunnel over here. They've done this with a couple plants. I don't know why they're doing it with some or others. I'm pretty sure I know why they're doing it because I use the same soil. I rejuvenate the soil and add new soil, but I will recycle soil as well. And I grow a lot of cherry tomatoes. I got some cherry tomatoes going here. Uh, what are those, hot bananas, I think, and these are black Hungarian. Those are drying on their own too. So some of them were drying on their own, and some weren't. I don't know what's going on with that, but I recycle soil and I grow a lot of cherry tomatoes, and cherry tomatoes drop off and they get into the soil and then they will sprout new tomato plants. Never had that with the peppers. That I guess peppers are just way tougher to germinate. Um, but it's kind of surprising it's never happened. I've never had a pepper plant sprout out of the soil. I've had many tomato plants sprout out of the soil. So I'm guessing, yeah, there's just like a ton of tomato seeds that are too deep to sprout, and the mice are digging in there. So really aggravating and frustrating. I've never heard this before, though. Earlier this season, when I started my plants inside, I did a video on this. Some might have seen it. I had the seeds in smaller cups, like party cups, and one night mice went along. I had them on the radiators because of the warmth. It was very early spring, so the heat was still coming on sometimes. And I had the cups on the radiators, and one night mice went around and just dug up pretty much every seed. I've never heard of anybody else experiencing this sort of thing, but it happened to me last spring, and it's happening in a different way now. So there we go. Not much going on with the cherry tomatoes. I did eat some of them, but I don't think we're really growing any new ones, much like the pepper plants. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Till next time.